if you have a waste heat boiler leak and you shut down to maybe repair it or plug a tube, or you're going to skim your HTS catalyst reactor bed, something that we recommend is including a dry out step when you're starting up. The reason we recommend this is to avoid driving water out of the catalyst too quickly and causing it to popcorn. If you've heard of the term popcorn for catalyst, related to catalyst, not the food, popcorn and catalyst is no bueno, no good, and it's something that we want to avoid. So in the startup procedure, you're going to slowly start ramping up in temperature. When you get to dew point, based on whatever your operating pressure is, hold at dew point for 2 to 3 hours. After this 2 to 3 hour hold step, you can then start slowly ramping up temperature again, around 50 degrees an hour up to 400 degrees, when you can then introduce syngas. These temperatures are all in Fahrenheit. I will apologize for those of you that are thinking in Celsius, but I will try to write out Celsius temperatures in the description. So kind of the reason we have this extra holdout step or recommend it is to drive the water out of the catalyst in a slow, controlled manner, so that we avoid any additional catalyst breakage. Of course, if you are in this situation, we recommend talking to your catalyst vendor, tell them everything that's going on, and they will be able to help you for sure. But this is just something that came up recently, and I thought it's good information. Have a great day.